Hello everyone, how to Tuts back with another new video, and in this video I will guide you how to download and install Discord application in your PC and laptop. So you can download and install two ways. First of all, you need to go any browser you like, then search here Discord, then the first URL discord.com, click here, then here you'll see the option download for Windows, click here. So it is start downloading. Here you can see it's in 91 megabyte, or you can download another ways. You need to go Microsoft Store, or you can search here on search box, then search here Discord. That's it. Then there is the first option Discord, click here. So this is the Discord. You will see the clickable install. I already installed in my device, in my PC, that's why it's not clickable, it's disabled. So in this way you can download or install Discord here. So okay friend, today's no more, and see you in the next video.